What's up, guys? Shamir with y'all from Trinity Collectibles again, and I have a Chronicles, Panini Chronicles Draft Picks. And this is for 2022 or 2021? 2021. And basically, in this set, you get 4 autographs or the memorabilia cards, right? 24 cards per pack, 2 packs in the box. A lot easier to go through, and you got 2 of the, highlighted players on here. And then also here it says, look out for 13 different brands, including Flux and Recon and more. So that's pretty interesting. And then it says on here, unwrap 8 Optic Crime base cards. So you can see those per box. And then on the back, obviously it looks like, you can see the red, blue, purple, gold, platinum, numbered from 149 to 1. And then you got the Donruss related rookies. You can also have, let me see here, Hoops Retro. You can have these are base sets. Let me see what else on here, because it's covered up with the Recon base. There's so many different options you can get in these boxes. Gold standard, it's talking about different autographs. Yeah, it's gonna be sick. So time to open this one up and see what autos I get, because every auto is getting graded 100%. Getting graded, and this makes it an easier box to go through. Let's see what we got here. Yep. Oh, so there's 24 cards per, 2 packs per box. Whoa. Because there's, oh, okay, I was about to say, I said it looks like more than 1 pack in here. So that's what it looks like in the inside. When you open it out, you got your 2 packs. Pretty interesting. Time to slide that over. And of course that fell. So I'll go pick that up in a second. Actually, let me grab it real quick. Oh, all right, I'm back. So I'll pick those up and see how hard it is to open these, okay? Just pre-open them up. A lot easier to open up, right? Time to get the gloves. Oh, got these gloves on backwards. Wrong side. Got them jeweler gloves on. Those about to get real. Alright. Ooh, light's bright up in here. Alright, let's see what we got. First pack. Whoa. Off the bat, I already noticed I got a numbered card on the back of this, so keep that. And just interesting to see how many cards I get in here. So I'm gonna try to go through this one quick. So we got rookie card. Put that over there. Oh wow, so there is a bunch of different cards in here, like they said. That one's a rookie. So I'll put all the rookies over there. Rated rookie. Look at that one. Jared Butler, NBA hoops. Slide that over there. Got Jones, another rookie. All right, got another rookie. U State. What's that? I don't even know how to pronounce that last name. All right, we got a rated rookie. Cade. Can't go wrong on him. Slide that over there. What we got here? We got NBA hoops. Jalen. Put that there. Jonathan. Another rookie card. Slide that there. We got another rookie card. This is Isaiah. We got Jackson. Put the rookie there. Oh, we got one upside down. What's going on here? Oh, it's a memorabilia card. Whoa. Look at that. We got a patch. Rookie. We got Brown. Got Threads. 2021. So rookie. What? Oh, yeah. That's getting graded. Put that to the side. We got another one flipped over. Oh, it's an autograph. Autograph is guaranteed. Is it? Oh. Flip. Oh. Got an autograph. Look at that. Flip. Look at that. It's 27 out of 49. And it's a numbered. And it's an autograph. What? Tell me that's not a hit. Oh, that's sick. Automatically rare. Alright, cool. Okay, we got the recon ones. These are rookies. Whoa, what's that one? Alright, I'm going to put that one there. Check this one out. It says rookies 4. And then it's Florida State. Oh, it's Scotty Burns. So I got a bunch of Scotty Burns cards. I think I'm going to get them all graded and sell them as a set. So I'm going to put that right there. I already got the X card. Cameron Thomas, rookie, LSU. Can't go wrong with that. I need to get a bunch of LSU cards together and get those graded. We got Williams, rookie. We got Jalen Green, rookie. Next card. Got Kai Jones, rookie. Oh, it's got 2 little indents on the back. So it's definitely not gonna score great. We're looking for on that one. Oh, we got another rookies. This is a Jayton. So put that to the side. Now we got a Corey Kisspart. If I pronounced that right. Rookie. Put that one over there. Oh, what we got here? We got a Jalen Johnson, rookie, select. Nice. Nice. Wonder how that would grade. I want to put a pile over here to take a look at. Let's put them over here. Alright, now we got another. Oh, here goes the optic. Thomas Tiger. Actually, you know what? Give me that. I'm going to put that one there. Rated Thomas. LSU. I was just telling y'all I wanted to find some more LSU cards, so put that one there. Oh, who we got here? Oh, look at that one, Evan. Rookie. Flex card. Oh, sick. Whoa. Flopping that one. Put that one right in that pile, and then boom, what we got? Williams, rookie. Look at that. 103, 149 numbered. Oh, yeah. Put that one over there. And the next one. It's the last pack. So, as you can see, this pack was definitely worth buying. Rated rookie. NBA Johnson. We got Corey, another rookie. We got, what's this, Mitchell? Mitchell, another rookie. It's from 2021, so we got to see how these guys are doing. Been 2 years now. We got Trey, rookie. We got Charles. We got Moses, rookie. We got another rookie, Jalen Johnson. Another rookie. So we got another Thomas, rated rookie, LSU. Put that one over there. Oh, we got a numbered. Look at that. Another numbered Williams card. Rookie. It's blue. It is 21 out of 99. Another rookie card. Oh, we got another memorabilia card. Whoa, look at that patch on there. We got sharp threads. It's a 9 out of a 10. What? 9 out of a 10 is a patch. Oh, that's getting graded. Ooh, 9 out of a 10. Oh, that's getting graded. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh, got an autograph. And it's numbered. It's 151 out of 99. Autograph rookie. Scorer card. Oh, that's going right over there. All right, so we got Wagner, rookie, Michigan. Whew, that got me sweating there. That was a good one. All right, we got Jackson. Got another rookie. It's the Epic Rookie Pack. Look at that one. Jonathan, rookie. It's got a little speck on the back. Look at that one. So we got that Rookies Edition. Jalen Johnson. Boom. Put that right in that pile. Got another X. Look at that rookie. What we got here? Another Mobley rookie. We got another Mitchell rookie. We got Josh Christopher, rookie. Oh, Jalen Green, another one. Look at that, rookie. We got another select. It's got a couple scratches up here. Not sure what it was score, but it's another Williams. So we got to get those graded. Oh, we got another Chris rated. Buck rookie. And last one, another select Jalen Johnson rookie card. Beautiful. So I got a lot of great hits on this one. See the autograph, the memorabilia cards that are numbered as well. Yeah, I'm about to get these sleeved up, check pricing, assort them, and yeah, I'm excited about this. I'll catch you on the next one. Hit the like button, subscribe, and let's look to open another box.